What's up guys? Welcome back to the TenorShare channel. If you're running out of storage on your iPhone, you might soon get alerts like this saying that you cannot download files, install items, take photos, or record videos, etc. In some cases we might find out that the mysterious other storage is overloaded. Anyway, how can we free up more space on our device? In this tutorial, we'll go over the most effective solutions for this issue. So, let's dive in. If we store photos or videos on our iPhone instead of iCloud, the full resolution files could take up a ton of storage. So we'd better go to Settings, iCloud, turn on iCloud Photos, and select the Optimize iPhone Storage option, so full resolution files could be replaced with smaller, device-size versions. Likewise, you can turn on iCloud for apps in the list here, so the app data could be stored in iCloud instead of the local disk. If you don't have enough space on iCloud either, you can change your storage plan. Or go to Backups, delete the ones you don't need anymore. Or delete data from apps that you don't use so much. The next thing we want to do is head to General, iPhone Storage, and Offload Unused Apps. This won't delete the app data, so rest assured. You can also offload apps manually like this. Or just go ahead and delete them if that suits you better. If the system or other storage is expanding, you can head to Settings, Safari, and then Clear History and Website Data. To clear more system caches and temporary files, you can give iPhone a force restart. For iPhone 10 or later, is press and quickly release the volume up, then press and quickly release the volume down, then press and hold the side button. Let it go when the Apple logo appears. A more powerful way to reduce the other storage is go to General, Reset, and then reset all settings. If you want to transfer your files to a computer before deleting them, you can back them up using iTunes. The drawback is iTunes doesn't back up files like photos, videos, and music. iCareFone would be a nice solution for that. Let's go ahead and see how it works. So we open it up on our laptop, plug the phone in, go to the Manage tab on the top menu, and then we'll be on the Photos section by default. We can select some of them and export them to any location on the computer. Once done, we can just go ahead and delete them. To delete photos from Camera Roll, all we have to do is install the iCareFone apps from App Store. Once completed, open it up. Allow it access to our files. And then tap Allow to delete. Just like that. Of course, we can also do the same thing for music. Videos, etc. Export them first, and then delete. To delete other files like music or videos is much simpler. We can directly delete them using the desktop version. After all these steps, we can check if more storage has been freed up on our device, and if we can take photos or record videos normally. So that's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Have a nice day. See you.